Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now using only Wet n Wild products, and they are super affordable and now available on Myntra. For foundation, I am using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in soft beige. This is super affordable with very high coverage and really long lasting. Next, for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in Sweet as Candy. I'm using this soft pink shade all over my eyelid, followed by using the soft brown color all over my crease as a transition shade. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Cold Crayon pencil all over my waterline. This is so affordable and fantastic. And finally, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Protein Waterproof Mascara. I am so in love with this mascara. It is totally amazing for the price that you pay. And for blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Pearlescent Pink. It is one of my favorite affordable blushes. It is super pigmented, very blendable, and has hints of golden glitter in it. And to finish off this look, I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Last Lip Color in the shade Wine Room. It's very soft on the lips, but with a matte finish, and this is such a pretty pink color. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you recreate it. You can tag me in your pictures on Instagram, and the links to all of the products that I've used in this video are in the description box down below. You can also let me know your favorite Wet n Wild products in the comment section down below. I'm always eager to try out new products. You can download the Myntra app on your phone and you can go to the Wet n Wild section. So if you are a beginner who is looking for an affordable option and you want high quality products as well, you can check their products out. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you super soon. Bye.